Yeah, you got yourself a case of water infiltration there, buddy. We can't help you with your ghost problems, but with Resisto, we can help you with your water infiltration problems. Use our Resisto waterproofing repair kit for foundation cracks, and there's no need to freak out. The kit contains all the essential materials needed to repair cracks in treated wood, as well as commercial buildings concrete. Well, residential buildings, of course, too. Yes, yeah. First, we dig along the foundation where the crack is located, then apply the exterior primer with a brush on the clean and dry surface. It looks like you've been doing this your whole life. Then, we fill the crack with the elastometric sealant. We overlay with the self-adhered waterproofing membrane. And lastly, we apply a sealant joint around the membrane. Whoa, 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 hold on. We're not done. We gotta go finish the job in the basement. We start by removing the damaged gyps from the wall. We remove the current insulation. Then we apply the M1 ChemLink adhesive to maximize the adherence of the new Sopra XPS20 insulation board, mainly used as a thermal insulant in above-ground walls as well as in exterior walls and the foundations. Lastly, we screw in the new gypsum board without forgetting the finishing. Good job, buddy. Come check this out. See? 100% waterproof. High five.
Waterproofing, insulation, maintenance. Resisto, the expert in construction and renovation products.